Have you ever asked yourself, why do women chase the man who treats them like an option, but ignore the guy who's ready to give them the world? Why do bad boys win, while good men stay confused, frustrated, and heartbroken? This is the dark side of female attraction. But it's not what you think. And today, we're going to unpack the truth, not to manipulate, but to understand, to become the kind of man who knows his worth, and finally plays the game on his own terms. Let's be real. Most guys grow up being told the same lie. Just be nice. Be respectful. Be available, be present, be everything she needs. And yet, who does she run to? The one who doesn't answer her texts right away. The one who seems like he could leave at any moment. The one who doesn't need her validation. You see, it's not about being a jerk. It's about being unavailable, unshaken, undeniably confident. Bad boys win because they don't chase. They attract. They don't need her. They choose her. And that energy is magnetic. Here's the harsh truth no one tells you. Nice guys give their power away. They make her the prize. They seek her approval like it's air. They abandon themselves to please her. And women, they feel it. They sense when a man lacks boundaries, when he's desperate for love instead of standing in his worth, and the attraction dies. Bad boys, they don't ask for permission. They live by their own rules. They speak their truth, even if it risks losing her. They're authentic, bold, unapologetically masculine, and that taps into something ancient in the female psyche. Because at her core, a woman isn't just looking for a provider. She's looking for a protector, a leader, a man with fire in his soul. Biologically, she's drawn to strength. Psychologically, she craves certainty. Spiritually, she seeks a man who knows who he is. And bad boys, fake or real, project that energy, even if it's flawed, even if it's toxic, even if it breaks her heart. It's still magnetic. But here's where you flip the script. You don't have to hurt her to have power. You don't have to lie, cheat, or manipulate. You just have to become a man of depth, a man with standards, a man who walks away when his soul isn't seen. That's how you win. Ethically, powerfully, unforgettably. Be the man who knows his value, who says what he means, and means what he says, who doesn't fold just because she's beautiful. Be the man who leads with presence, not pressure, who loves without losing himself, who can walk away, not out of ego, but out of self-respect. Because once you become that man, you no longer chase love, you attract it, effortlessly. She notices you now, not because you begged, not because you tried, but because you became a force. You see, when you stop needing her to complete you, she begins to feel pulled to your energy, not the energy of control, but the energy of powerful peace. So here's what you do. Set your boundaries, speak your truth, stay grounded in your purpose, stop worshiping her, and start honoring yourself. Stop begging for attention, and start radiating presence. That's what a real man does. And when you do that, you don't just attract her, you awaken her. You show her a new kind of man. One who leads with fire and depth. One who walks with strength and softness. One who doesn't play games, because he doesn't have to. Bad boys win, because they make her feel something. But you can do more than that. You can make her feel safe, seen, desired, while staying true to who you are. That's power. That's mastery. That's the new masculine. The dark side of attraction is real, but the light within you is stronger. Use it wisely.